Lately we've noticed our neighbours have taken a greater interest in our garden.
And we think we know why.
It's not so much the plants or the lawn.
It's our growing range of RYOBI Expand-It tools. Save money,
Save time.
save space. A while ago, we began our collection with a 36-volt line trimmer.
We could have chosen the 18-volt model because the attachments work on both systems.
It came with a 36-volt powerhead and the line trimmer attachment,
Now we save money by only having to buy attachments.
not the whole tool. It's great value. For Christmas last year, we got the sweeper to clear the paths. A few months later, we bought the 45cm pole hedge trimmer.
And when we planted the veggie garden,
Well, you can't have a veggie garden without a cultivator.
what about the pole pruner? Got to keep those trees in check. We also bought the extension pole for those extra tall hedges.
For our next expanded edition, we're tossing up between the edger.
And the brush cutter.
Who knows? We might get both.
RYOBI's expanded range of garden tool attachments are compatible with 18-volt and 36-volt power heads.
Check out the website for more details.
RYOBI, a cut above.